Uh,
Good morning, guys.
how are you? I hope you're fine. So, there's my second tutorial about the very first, of PHP.
So the my first tutorial was how to connect to database, the MySQL database using PHP, and this is the second tutorial. This is about of the the very beginning of PHP. How can you write a code in PHP? You know, how can you write the variable, and how can you printf the values. Okay, so I'm gonna show you that particular score, and how to run this that particular code into a WAMP server, or whatever your server you choose. YAMP, WAMP, XAMPP, Zaint. Okay, so let's do it. So the same thing, I'm gonna choose the Notepad plus plus, you see, and I have already started the WAMP server. You see that. Let's just go to my browser. Sorry.
And write the localhost. You see my web server is working as well as good. And this is the my database that I will use right now. What I'm going to use the my my particular folder where the core belongs. So the folder name is where yes, this is the folder, and sure I'm gonna write I'm gonna store my PHP file. So let's start coding. So I'm gonna open a new file, you see, and start coding with PHP tag, and just Control S and say where I'm gonna save it into my C drive. Okay, I just open the C drive, then I need to open the WAM, then I have to open the www, then I have to open a particular folder that is tuto. Okay, and here we go. And you know, I just make a name like first, no, whatever, first to it. Sorry, PHP. Okay, so here we see I have already entered in the PHP tag. Okay, and so it's just very first, very first beginner with PHP. That is the reason I'm gonna show you the how can take a variable. You should know what is a variable, you know. And okay, I'll say it's a variable. It's like container where we contain some values. Uh, you know. So in PHP, and if you know the C, then the variable is like if you like name is a kind of variable. But in the PHP, if you want to write a variable, then you should put a dollar at first. Then you put name. Okay, so name is a string, you see. So that's why I'm just put in quotation to make it string. Okay, so my name is Koushik. There is a Koushik. Okay, especially with the video. That's the okay. And if you want to print particular name, then you then you have to print the variable because variable holds the value. It holds my name. So if you want to print, then uh, in PHP there is a keyword name is echo print the value. Okay, sorry, dollar and name. Okay, this is so I need to run this code. Refresh it. You see, there's my first PHP and the script. Oh yeah, see, there's this, totally done. The code got it. And you know, if you want to, if you want to, you know, um, put some extra character like my name is okay. So why you have to concatenate it. The terms we use concatenation. So how can we use the concatenation in PHP? So just put in a single quotation, and if you want to concatenate like in Java, then you have to use the plus. But in PHP, it's simple. You just put in a dot operator. Okay. So just like my sorry, name is in the space, put in a space. Okay. My name is Koushik, but it will see it will show like so. Refresh my page here. Yo, my name is Koushik. So this is that what you have done. That what I have done exactly. And if you want to print some, some some numeric number, this is the number. Even it's variable, it's a variable number, and it is variable 1 2 3 4 5 here. And if you want to print it, you just write here equal the dollar anywhere number. You see? Okay, just refresh. Oh, this is this is what I want. Okay, but the very interesting thing. Okay, so you see, there is a it's like want together, but not actually, but not exactly. If I want to put in a you know like space or the line breaker, then what we do in C like slashing, but in PHP what we do echo, hmm, just it's like you can put in a beer text, you can use it, the HTML tag you can include into the PHP. So you see, yes, there's nothing. If you want to include any tag of HTML, any tag you can do, basically. See, okay. If you want to write your my number, you okay, and you see refresh page. My number is 134. Okay, you can include the HTML tag into the PHP. You can include the PHP into a particular HTML tag. So there is a very good thing in PHP, and the you know this means like PHP prompt is hypertext preprocessor because HTML hypertext markup language, and the hypertext preprocessor means HTML is a preprocessor of PHP. So and that is a theoretical thing, but it's a great part. Mm, so you can use it. You guys see, you can use it the HTML tag. We can use it the HTML tag into PHP. We can use the PHP into HTML for. Okay. So this is the the thing. And another thing I have to show you guys that is like use this key and like echo uh, bye.